The collapse of the paper civilization. For centuries, paper has been the cornerstone of our civilization. It has been used for everything from communication to record-keeping and art. However, the rapid advancement of technology in recent years has resulted in the decline of the paper industry. The paper civilization as we know it is collapsing. The decline of paper can be attributed to a number of factors. Firstly, the rise of digital communication has made paper letters almost obsolete. Email and instant messaging have made communication faster and more efficient, resulting in a dramatic decrease in demand for paper. Similarly, online storage and cloud computing have replaced the need for large physical file storage facilities. Secondly, the shift towards a more environmentally conscious society has resulted in a decrease in paper usage. The paper industry is heavily reliant on the felling of trees, which has negative impacts on the environment. As the public becomes more aware of this, there has been a push towards sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives to paper. Finally, the COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the decline of the paper industry. The majority of office workers were forced to work from home, resulting in a decrease in demand for office supplies such as paper, envelopes, and file folders. Additionally, with many businesses struggling financially, paper expenses may no longer be seen as a priority. Despite the many benefits of going digital, the collapse of the paper industry has significant consequences. For one, it puts a strain on communities that heavily rely on the industry for employment. The closure of paper mills and factories can result in job losses and financial uncertainty for employees. Additionally, the decline of the paper industry has its impact on the global economy. Many countries rely on paper exports, and the collapse of this industry may result in a reduction in their GDP. Moreover, the decline of the paper industry has cultural and educational implications. Many books, artworks, and important historical documents are stored on paper. The loss of these documents due to decay and disintegration could have significant implications for future generations. In conclusion, the collapse of the paper civilization may be seen as a natural progression due to technological advancements. However, it is important to consider the wider impacts of this decline and the potential consequences on society. As we shift towards a digital age, we must also find ways to preserve and cherish the cultural and historical significance of paper.